All right, everyone, how you doing today? Today we're taking a look at 3 apps that pay you automatically to do nothing. They run in the background, yes, indeed. But first, please subscribe to the channel. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos in my back catalog. Please hit the notification bell as well to be notified of new videos. Also, check out my #1 recommendation for making money online. It's the top link in the video description below. It's a really cool website. You get a free membership there. Just check it out. I'll tell you more about it at the end of the video. So stick around. You don't want to miss these 3 apps, and you don't want to miss a really cool website that I'm going to tell you about at the end. All right, so let's get into this. So the first website up here is Mobile Expressions. This is a website and an app you can get for iOS and Android, and you can download it onto your phone. And basically what they're going to do is just monitor usage of your different apps and things like that. There's a huge frequent asked questions here that you can check out. One of the main things you might be concerned about is your privacy. Let's check that out. Maintaining our panel's privacy, our members' privacy is #1 priority. Therefore, we do not collect or view text or other personal content in our panel's membership files. So they don't read your text messages and stuff like that. This includes content, emails, instant messages, images, capture, cameras and all that stuff. Basically, they're just collecting data on the usage of different things that you're doing on your phone. And they're gonna pay you $5 Amazon gift card. And then when you leave it running on the background of your phone, they're gonna pay you more and more. You get more points and stuff like that. One of the rankings here, this is the Google Play Store. You do get credits and stuff like that, and once you get credits, you can exchange them for the gift cards and things like that. It has a 4.2 out of 5 on the Amazon, or not the Amazon, on the Google Play Store. So it has some pretty good ratings. You can read more about it here. Earn credits instantly when you join. Again, you get the $5 thing pretty much right away. They send it to you. Redeem credits for gift cards and great selections of retailers. Your points will never expire as long as you're an active member. So it's a really cool way to make some money without really doing anything. You just install it, kind of set it and forget it. Again, there's lots of frequent asked questions here. I'm not going to go into all of these, so you can check this out yourself. There is links in the video description below for all the sites I'm mentioning today. Next up is going to be Smart Panel. They kind of work the same way. It's just, they collect data. You kind of set it and forget it. Here's how it works. Sign up, short survey to find out if you qualify to participate in the panel. Once you qualify, install the Smart app. Keep your devices connected and take surveys and earn rewards and all that kind of stuff. So it pretty much works the same way. And here's how you get paid. $5 for qualifying and $5 for every 30 days your device stays connected. So obviously you're not gonna make lots of money like this, but there are monthly giveaways as well, and all kinds of things like that. And there's frequent asked questions here too. You can check out the frequent asked questions. Again, I'll put the links in the video description below for this. And let's move on. So Achievement is another cool app that you kind of set and forget. I've had this installed on my phone for a while. Basically, you just collect, when you're walking around, it just syncs up to your whatever device, like iOS. I have an iOS device. It syncs up to my health app, and it tells me how much I've walked, and you just get points for walking around. Basically, it's basically a health app, and you get $10 for every 10,000 points that you collect. And this is, you get PayPal, or you can get direct deposit into your bank account, or you can donate to charities as well. So this is a really cool app I've been using for a while. They have a 4.7 on the Apple iOS store, so you can see different things, ratings and stuff like that. See, it's legit. I have an account here. You can log in on your phone, or you can log in on the website as well. So pretty cool, folks. 3 apps that will pay you automatically for doing nothing. Now, if you really want to learn how to make money online, because you're not going to make a lot of money with these apps, but they're cool to have on, you might as well just try them out. Check out my #1 recommendation in the top link in the video description below. There, you're going to get a free membership, free training, free websites, and you're really going to learn how to make lots of money online. It does take time. It's not something you set and forget like these apps. But it's a really great opportunity because it is free. You don't need a credit card or anything to sign up. Plus, there's a huge community there of people to help you, and it's really great. It's what I use. It's what I think there's 1.5 million members at the time of doing this, video. But it's really cool. Check it out, folks. You're really gonna learn how to make passive income, make money while you sleep, while you're on vacation, all that kind of stuff. Anyways, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell to be notified of new videos coming out. And that is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.